Welcome to Road 200 Quant Questions. Each term of an infinite GP is equal to 3 times the sum of all the terms that follow it. Let's sum of all the terms that follow one of the numbers be x, let's say. So this will be 3 times all the numbers that follow it, so this will be 3x. The previous term will be 3 times all the numbers that follow it. All the numbers that follow it is 4x, so 3 times that will be 12x. Previous term again will be 3 times of all the numbers that follow it, which is 16x, so 48x. Now if you look at a common ratio, 12 upon 48 is 1 by 4, 3 upon 12 is 1 by 4, so you can make out the common ratio will be 1 by 4, C option. Divide by x plus 2, the remainder is. So when you divide by x plus 2, to find a remainder you put x equal to minus 2. So put x equal to minus 2 in the equation. Minus 2 raised to 4, minus 2 cube, minus 7. So if you look at 32, minus 24, minus 7. So we will get the remainder as 1, D option. A and B are positive real numbers. What is the maximum possible value of the product A cube B? You can put values in check, but there is a property which says that sum of the numbers, okay, is constant, and the product will be maximum when all the numbers will be equal. For example, if I say sum of two numbers is 8, and the product of two numbers will be maximum and both will be 4 and 4. 4 into 4, 16 is maximum. Anything else will give you smaller value. So same logic we can hold out here. So we want cube three values of A. So A we can divide into A upon 3 plus A upon 3 plus A upon 3. 3 values of A. Only one B. And we can make it equal to 4. Now here are two ways to go about it. Since we want all the values equal, that means we want A upon 3 equal to 1 and 2B equal to 1. Because all will be 1, 1, 1, 1. So from that we get A equal to 3 and B equal to half. Since you get A equal to 3, B equal to half, substitute out here. 3 cube into half. You will get 13.5. Okay, or you can say the product will be max. Since we think all are equal 1, 1, 1, 1, product will be maximum A upon 3 into A upon 3 into A upon 3 into 2B equal to 1. Because each one is 1. So it becomes A cube B into 2 upon 27 equal to 1. Or we get A cube B equal to 27 upon 2. 13.5. D option. Find the maximum real value of fx. 10 upon 10 minus 2x. If you look at denominator, since x is an integer, what can be the value of x? If I put x as 1, it becomes 8. If I put x as 2, it becomes 6. X as 3, it becomes 4 and so on. X will always be an even number. If x is always an even number, for it to be maximum, denominator has to be minimum. And the minimum even number which is possible is 2. 0 will not give you real value. So 10 upon 2 will give you 5. 5 will give you maximum value. Okay. For the overall value to be maximum, the denominator has to be minimum. And the minimum value that is possible is 2. Because they are all even numbers. So automatically you can make out the maximum value will be 5. 20 women can complete a job in 20 days. So total job is 400 women days. 20 into 20. The job started by one woman. From second day onwards, every day one woman joins. So first day 1, second day 2 people work, third day 3 people work, fourth day 4 people work. So basically the addition of all this is nothing but n into n plus 1 upon 2. If you work for n days. And this has to be more than 400. So basically you want n into n plus 1 more than 800 because we want to finish the job. Now check, let's take the smallest value 27. If I take 27 into 28, if you look at 27 square is 729. And to make 27 to 28 you add 28 to it. You get 757. Now if I want to go to 28 into 29, so again 28 square is 784. Plus if I add 28 sorry, here I have to add 27, my mistake. It becomes 756. Here I have to add 28. It becomes more than 800. So 812, more than 800. So 28 will be the answer, A option. Right, clear? Thank you.